My name is Justin Aarendse. I'm from Sutherland Engineers. I was the structural engineer for the Little Bridge project. It's essentially a box truss, which in very simple terms is a truss in two different planes. So we've got a simple truss in the vertical plane to carry the actual load of the bridge and the people using the bridge itself. But considering the bridge is a closed clad structure, it also needs to be able to withstand lateral loads, and hence it also is a truss in the horizontal plane as well. So we simply have a box structure spans between two buildings. So it gives us quite a nice stiff element, which is quite important considering the bridge is glazed, and it also butts up against another building which is also glazed, which we would have to interface with. So we do have to limit the deflections quite carefully so not to affect the existing glazing too much. So hence a box truss works quite well in that regard, because you can really control the amount of movement of the structure itself. So we were installing a bridge between two existing buildings, also on top of an existing operational basement. So we had to consider both how we were actually going to build and install the bridge, as well as some of the load considerations on the existing structures. So first and foremost, we had to ensure that the bridge was quite light, and so that it doesn't impose too much additional load onto the existing structure that was there. We had to design it in a way that it actually could be installed quite easily on site as well, given the rather constrained nature of the particular sites. I think steel was the only real practical solution for this particular project, given we needed a lightweight material. Steel is obviously a natural choice. It also gave us a lot of flexibility in terms of installation. The contractor was able to bring it in piecemeal as opposed to all in one, and not have to use a lot of heavy materials. We also needed to be quite flexible in how we detailed the structure with regards to how to interface with the two existing buildings. And there was a lot of movement that we needed to cater for between the two buildings that we were attaching to, and still it allows us to detail those movement joints quite well. It also ties in very well from a general aesthetic in the other area, which I'm sure the architects have detailed quite nicely as well. Historically, the area has a lot of steelwork, which is used for these type of structures as well. So both from a pure practical point of view of being able to install it easily, quickly, within constrained conditions, and being a lightweight material which serves function, it works exceptionally well as well.